So 2025 is here and suddenly you started thinking that I have to make money with money. Well, look no further because this video is just for you. Either your dad has given you a lump sum amount of pocket money, or maybe you are just an employee who's trying to save his money for his retirement or her retirement. So this video is for you. I'm going to explain you the basics of investing and trading with a proper example which you will never forget. And yes, I'm not going to tell you everything about finance in one video, then it will take hours to explain. So I'm going to break it down into parts and I'm going to make it into series and start uploading it. But I can tell you this, after seeing all the videos, you can't say that you don't know anything about finance. So whenever we think about saving money for our retirement or saving money in somewhere, we come across the word investing. And then when we start researching about investing, we come across another word which is called trading. So let me just tell you something about investing and trading, if you don't know the difference, of course. So investing is something that is a long-term stuff, and trading is something a short-term stuff. Now let me give you an example for both of them. So imagine the first thing, investing. So imagine your friend Adris. He went to a cow market and he bought a beautiful cow, like your ex. Sorry. So he bought it home and he started feeding her. Yeah, of course, her. So he bought it home and he started feeding her. He started taking care of her. And when that cow got big, an adult, she started giving him milk for free. And guess what? He's gonna get milk every day, every single second, whenever he wants. Okay, so he doesn't have to go market again and again to buy some milk. Now trading is a short-term stuff. How? So imagine your stupid friend Adris again. He went to the market. He bought ingredients to make breakfast, which cost him around $2. Now he made a breakfast and he started selling it for $7. You see the profit, how much he's going to get, the difference, that is his profit. But here is the problem. He have to finish all his breakfast, all his sandwiches, whatever he made, man, before the morning ends, or else his whole investment in that ingredients will be a waste. He's gonna be in loss. Or if he have money, tomorrow again he buys the stuff, he buys the ingredients, and again he assembles a breakfast, and again he sells it for $7. Moral of the story: in investment, you invest once and you forget it. You get the returns later on after a lump sum amount of time. But in trading, it's that rich quick scheme. Trading is something like that. So in trading, if you have money, you make money. But if you don't have money, if you lose it once, the income source, the money coming and going, that ends. So you have to be careful. Like, you have to be always aware of everything. Trading is very risky. Many people misunderstand it as a gambling. Well, it's not a gambling, but if you play it as a gambling, then of course it's a gambling. So if you don't have the knowledge about it, and if you don't know what you are doing, then of course it's a gambling. But if you know it, like you literally know everything, every single step you are taking in trading, you know it and you're accurate about it, then it's not gambling. My point is clear. If you don't want to take risk, you should go for investing. All the big wealthy people, they invest, they don't trade. You can see all their portfolio is available in Google or stuff. You can just go and check how many places they have invested. They believe in investing. Why wouldn't you, right? So start investing young. If you have anything, just invest it. Doesn't matter what age you are, even if you are 15 or you are 50. The best way to retire early is to invest early. So don't make the mistake of going in your 30s and 40s and start investing. So this is the difference between an investing and a trading. So I hope I could make my point clear. And if you want to know more about finance with a little bit of fun and twist and in basic, easy way, you know whom to subscribe. Till then,